Morning guys, welcome to this new episode in Mauritius. So today we are at Albion, we got the lighthouse. So we're just here right now. It's a little bit windy today and it's supposed to be raining and storm, but not sure if it's gonna rain or not. But I will try to do a drone footage later on to show you the lighthouse. So here's the lighthouse, and it is still operational. So yeah, here there's a lot of sharks around here. This area is very popular to come and see sharks here, and also whale watching as well. And this place there's a lot of people as well. Comes here fishing, but it's a little bit dangerous. Many people have died as well. Yeah, so there's a big ship over there. Looks like container ship or petrol, not sure. Try to go see what's going on. It looks like a pool over there with these rocks. That's the pool. It's like.
Can we go down?
I'm trying to find a way, but I'm not sure where to go. Probably we should.
Wait for the...
I think we should go from there because the tide is low.
I think we should wait for the low tide. But I think it's low tide now.
Yeah, that's right.
Because we can't see the pool down there.
And probably we can go there and then we can come here. No, there's nowhere to go.
Long way.
Bye. Yes. I made it.
The Albion Lighthouse, also named as Pointe Cave, is the most beautiful lighthouse in the southern hemisphere. Pointe Cave comes from these caves dug into the rock by the swell. The story goes that slaves hid in these caves as well as the treasures of some pirates. Built in 1910 by the British during their occupation of Mauritius, today it is the last active lighthouse in Mauritius. From the top of it 46 meters, the view stretches from Flic and Flac in the south to Pointe Sable in the north. It is managed by the Mauritius Authority. It is possible to visit it with agreement of the lighthouse keeper. Since 1910, it has been showing the route to Port Louis and guiding navigators in this area when the sea is rough and dangerous. Sadly, there's a darker side to the local history. In 1615, the Banda smashed into the rocks of Pointe Cave with the famous Dutch Peter Both on board, who left his name to one of the most famous mountains in Mauritius. Like what the Albion Lighthouse has said many legends. Hey guys, if anyone has been able to enter the caves and find some treasures maybe, please let us know below in the comment.
Feeling so hungry, guys. So we came to Albion, and here we have street food like main bread, halim, samosa, paratha, curry and bread roll, and there they sell dumplings.
So we try minbui octopus and dumplings. So guys, if you come on a Sunday, be prepared with a long wait. The food was nice though. On our way, we met these lovely ladies. It was a pleasure to have a chat with them. But very sad on the other side that in 2025 there's still issues about running water during the day.
Pas la ferme. La ferme, oui. Ça, c'est déjà, oui. Allez, bon courage. Allez, merci.
We had a nice time at Albion with the parents, and tonight Sharon and Hans invited us for dinner. So we had a short 5-minute boat trip from Black River Jetty to the restaurant. Guys, this is a floating restaurant, unique in Mauritius. We had a warm welcome from the staff, and we got very lucky that the weather is just perfect.
Les coups avec café là.
Ouais, bon. Non, mais bon, il y a des caca à faire. Bon.
Everything alright?
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So today we're having dinner on a floating restaurant which is located in Black River. So it's called Moon Bar. So we have a nice view. Just look at that. We had a sunset, a beautiful sunset before.
Yeah.
So we already ordered our food, and so now we're waiting. So we already tried their cocktail. It was very nice.
Yeah.
So now we're waiting for the food.
Yeah. So for the cocktail, what you got?
Oh my god,
Yes.
I can't remember the name.
The one I've got, there's curry leaves in it. That's the first
Yeah.
time I tried that.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
Very
But-
unique.
Yeah. But yeah, no, it's alright. So we're just waiting for the food. Hopefully, we'll like the food.
Yeah.
It seems very nice and yeah.
Yeah.
And the kitchen is alright. The chef is alright as well.
The staffs, they are
Yeah.
very friendly too.
Yeah. And so yeah, I really like this place. Really.
It's very unique because it's in the sea. It's just on the water.
Yeah, but the only thing I forgot is to bring some line in my fishing rod. I could have fish.
Oh, you? Yeah, that's true.
Do some fishing and probably we could have cooked the fish here.
Exactly, yeah.
So yeah guys, hopefully you will enjoy also the drone footage. I've done a quick drone footage here to get this beautiful sunset, and also this restaurant here on the water. So it's called Moon Bar,
Moon
is that
Bar,
right? So
yeah.
that's a restaurant and bar. So it's really amazing. So now we got more people coming in.
And you
So
have
they
also
take-
the boat transfer included. Like
Yes.
They pick you up from the jetty,
Yeah,
Black River jetty,
yeah,
and
just
they
over
bring you
there.
here at the restaurant.
Yes.
And when you finish, you have the boat again to bring you back to the beach, to
Yeah.
the jetty.
Yeah, that's right. All right,
So
so
we will let you know after how was the food.
yes. Here's the chef.
Izea, correct là?
Correct.
Sébastien.
Super.
Alors on a la lunette dorade. Poêlée et cuit au beurre.
Okay. Very nice, guys. Looks really yummy.
On donne vraiment un petit goût naturel, il n'est pas mariné encore, ce soit du sel seulement.
Okay.
Et après finition, beurre salé.
Okay.
Dans la simplicité avec une bonne sauce au safran fait avec du fumé de poisson.
Oh yeah,
Super.
that smells
Ça va, vous souhaitez passer un bon moment?
Oui.
Super.
Super. Merci.
super. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, guys. This food looks very yummy, and the smell is so good.
I'm already hungry.
Yes.
Smelling that, it smells so good.
Okay. Let's go ahead and try it.
Nestled in the picturesque Grand Riviera, Moonbag offers a unique dining experience that combines exquisite cuisine with breathtaking sunsets. Although portion sizes may lean towards the smaller side, but the flavors and the ambience make every bite worth it. What a great experience! We highly recommend everyone to dine there at least once when they are in Mauritius. We thank you Chef Sharon and Hans for this amazing night. Thank you for watching our video. Mauritius has a lot to show. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and explore with us. Thank you and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye!